Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to use teamwork.com to create a business proposal, the 2025 guide. To start, log into your teamwork.com account. If you don't have one, it's quick and easy to create. We do this to access the range of tools and templates teamwork.com offers that simplify the business proposal process. Once logged in, navigate to the Projects section on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Click Add a new project. This step allows us to create a specific workspace to develop our business proposal, keeping all related documents and communication centralized. Now that we've done that, you'll see different fields to fill in. In the Name field, type in the name of your business proposal. In the Description field, briefly outline the purpose of your proposal. This helps us because it sets the scope and direction of your project, giving team members a clear understanding of what the proposal is about. Next up, add members to the project. Click on +Add People and select team members from your organization. This step is essential as it allows for collaboration, ensuring everyone involved in the proposal creation process is on the same page and can contribute effectively. Now that we have our team, it's time to use the proposal template. Go to the Templates section in your project and select the Business Proposal template. This is a pre-designed layout that can guide us as we develop our proposal, providing a professional look and feel. You'll notice sections like Executive Summary, Project Details, Budget, and Timeline. Fill in each section as required by your business proposal. Remember, Teamwork.com allows for real-time collaboration so team members can contribute simultaneously. The reason we do this is to streamline the proposal creation process, ensuring all necessary information is included and everyone's input is considered. Once you've filled in the template, it's time to review and finalize your proposal. This step is crucial because it allows us to ensure all information is correct and the proposal meets the intended objectives. Finally, save your proposal. Teamwork.com automatically saves your progress as you go, but it's always good to hit that save button one more time to ensure all changes are kept. And there you have it. You've just created a business proposal using Teamwork.com. Remember, the platform offers a range of tools and features to streamline your proposal creation process and facilitate collaboration, so explore and make the most of it. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, happy teamworking.